out.
Good job, Tara.
Right. Hey, thank you.
All right, so another brand new. Let's do it. Sale price $26. We've seen a lot of the great ceramic pieces. We had some glass. Now we're going to talk about the galvanized metal in your choice of pattern. What's the idea behind this? How did it come about?
First of all, a lightweight tray. So a lot of times, first of all, we could never make a stoneware tray this big. So I love galvanized for, of course, summertime, but really all year round. This is one of those pieces, this is kind of what we call like a one and done. We will never do this piece again.
Okay.
So we brought it in all of your favorite colors, including what I'm holding here, which is that beautiful confetti. So what I love, we showed you the service right on there, nice and lightweight, super durable. So we have it in great colors. We have it in confetti. Then next door, we have it in the gray. Do you see how beautiful kind of that color? Can we get in there, guys, and take a peek at that? How that color pops against that metal. So again, I love, thank you, beautiful. So there's that pop of detail. There's your blue. Next door, and I love how each one kind of takes on its own personality depending on the color.
Yeah.
Look at the black.
Well, it's like a sunlight on water shimmer background to it.
Yes.
Really nice.
Look at
the
that.
Black.
Yeah, super elegant there. The green. Then next door to the green, we have the red. And I love like kind of mixing and matching.
I like this next one.
And the taupe. Yeah.
Because it's almost like silver and gold.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. You're right. Lots of great detail on there. But these are one of those pieces that we won't be able to do again. And I love that because when we're talking about 21 years and over 25 million sets shared, when we have never done a piece like this in that pattern, right? Hello.
I'm like walking over here and I just keep, wow, look at that, look at that, look at that.
I'm like, is Corky's in the building? Because look how many wings we have in here with all of everything cut up.
Awesome.
Whether it's your dessert station, like when we talk about 16 inches, that is a nice, large, oversized tray. How about apps? Again, I love the idea. This is like your party tray. This is like, you're not just putting like 2 or 3 things in here. Here's your breakfast with all of your breakfast meats and waffles. And then I love this, right? Layering in some of your beans and your salads and all of your hamburgers and hot dogs. And then hello. Like brunch is here and it's time to celebrate. And we're ready to roll.
Gosh, that's gorgeous. I mean, whether you're just using it for like the big en masse serving or it's just you're taking the food over to the couch because you guys are going to eat, you know, while you're watching a game or something like that. Like, and it's a beautiful piece that you want to have out all the time too. But once again, going back to the theme of our day, outdoor entertaining. And we think about a lot of disposable things that we've been using or, you know, over time, especially with like summer things that you're pulling out, maybe it's a piece here and a piece there and you just kind of collected kind of mismatched things, start to tie it back together again by using a Temp-tations classic. But I got to go back to what Tara said before because this is important. We have a lot of new today items that we might see next year in return. This one is a single shot, no reorder. I don't mean only order the year, I mean only order ever.
Period.
So QVC.com, period. Metal tray with handles, it's H237559. I know I've been counting down the minutes a lot because our 5 easy pays go away and our one-time only goes away. That's the bad news. The good news is a brand new day starts and Courtney's got a brand new Today Special Value. So Court, tell us a little, but not too much about it.
I know. So hard.